Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a healthy and super easy recipe, Cabbage Tuna Rice Bowl. Instead of plain white rice, we'll use 1/4 GABA mixed rice with 17 grains and fill the rest with brown rice. Cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces and place it on top of the rice, then add a can of tuna on top. The tuna I'm using today is Dongwon's matte tuna, which is super popular in Korea as a side dish. And add 1 tablespoon of tuna sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce on top. Now, make a space in the middle and crack an egg on top. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap, poke a few holes, and microwave it for 3 minutes. Depending on your microwave's power, the egg will cook differently. I kept the yolk slightly runny. This is such a hearty, nutritious meal, and you'll find yourself making it again and again. The flavor is beyond words, so full of umami. I highly recommend giving it a try. See you in the next recipe. Have a simple and delicious meal with Simple Camille.